Tesla reportedly updating its timeline for the Cybertruck. Now, according to a report from Reuters, the mass production, the long-awaited EV is expected to start at the end of next year. So you'll remember the vehicle boasted unbreakable armor glass windows. That didn't exactly end well on stage for Elon Musk back in 2019. How could we forget that? Now everyone who paid to reserve a Tesla Cybertruck is going to have to wait another year, Dave. And that is if they meet that target. It seems like, at least as of late, the pattern has been pushing back some of their goals just in terms of being able to meet their production lofty goals. I think you can say at this point, people only had to put down $100, but still it garnered a lot of attention. Tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people did pay that $100. So they are going to be waiting quite some time now, it sounds like, possibly even more, to get their hands on the vehicle.
As our investors, if this is part of their investor story, now you're looking at probably Q2 2024, if you're factoring that in at all. And yeah, to your point, Reuters has hundreds of thousands, and Elon did comment saying there had more orders of the Cybertruck than we could possibly fulfill for 3 years after the start of production. So it's fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. What is fool me 3 times? And that's what we're on now, the 3rd time that we have pushed this off. There's not even a phrase for that. So I guess just wake me up when this is all over. I have another question, though, what the price tag will be for this Cybertruck. That's a big one, Rachelle. The last we heard, he was hoping for $40,000. That was in 2019, an entirely different world in which we live now. Hard to imagine that price anywhere close to that number.
And when you speak about the delays and you mention that price, $40,000, well, when you think of the Formula F-150 electric truck, the Lightning, that came to market fast while the Cybertruck was still waiting to come on, they already had to raise prices up nearly 11% and a 30% increase of the truck's price, now at about $51,000. They also had originally priced theirs at about $40,000. So I definitely don't think you're going to be getting this Cybertruck anywhere near $40,000. But, you know, all these delays, it's given a lot more room for competitors to sort of squeeze in there with these electric pickups. And as we've said before, still really not sure who's in the market for a Cybertruck. It might not be your classic F-150 purchasers, so we'll have to see. But clearly a lot of buzz. We'll see if it pans out.
I was going to say, Dave, you actually fall in that F-150. That's your dream car,
oh,
right?
Absolutely.
I don't think you're buying a Cybertruck. Are you buying a Cybertruck?
I'm not getting anywhere near this thing. Not for
like
20K. No, Ford F-150 all the way, my friend.